Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best foldable wire stripper on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Nuxiang Foldable Wire Stripper. Let's get started. Product features. Precise wire stripping. Strips wires cleanly without damaging the core, ensuring safe and efficient preparation for electrical connections in any project. Integrated cable cutter. Cuts wires swiftly and accurately, eliminating the need for multiple tools and making your workflow faster and more efficient. Crimper function. Includes a crimping tool to secure connectors and terminals onto cables, perfect for professional and DIY wiring tasks. Built-in electrical test pen. Test electrical circuits directly with the same device, simplifying troubleshooting and improving safety during work. Foldable and portable design. Compact folding mechanism enhances portability and storage, making it convenient for tight spaces or professionals on the move. Ergonomic handle. Comfortable anti-slip handle reduces hand fatigue during extended use, ensuring stability and precision while working. Secure locking mechanism. Folding arms lock firmly during use for safety and stability, then fold neatly for compact storage. Multifunctional all-in-one tool. Combines wire stripping, cutting, crimping, and electrical testing into a single versatile tool, reducing clutter and tool changes. Durable construction. Made from high-quality materials designed for long-lasting performance, withstanding frequent use in professional or personal settings. Pros. Combines multiple essential electrical functions in one tool. Foldable and portable for easy storage and transport. Accurate wire stripping and cutting for safety. Built-in crimper and electrical tester for versatility. Ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Durable professional-grade construction. Cons. May be slightly bulky for very small toolkits. Limited to medium and small gauge wires. Manual adjustments required for certain crimping tasks. Final thoughts. The Nuxiang Foldable Wire Stripper is a smart, multifunctional electrical tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With wire stripping, cutting, crimping, and testing all in one compact portable unit, it increases efficiency, saves space, and delivers reliable performance on every project. Make your electrical projects easier today. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful content.